Still at one of the most crowded malls, Ontario Mills. They got a bunch of retail shops. They got a bunch of the South Park Crocs right here. They're missing one. I was like, who are they missing? They're missing Cartman on this one. But make sure you have all the gibbets, I guess. I don't see a price though. Got this one right here with the teacher. Forgot that fool's name. A Kenny one right here. I don't see prices though. Yeah, that's crazy. We got a Friday the 13th one, Pokemon ones. The Chucky one right here. I feel like we've seen these at one of the discount stores. Is that a DeLorean? Is that a DeLorean? Dang, they getting all the licensing agreements. Dang, dude. Oh, and look. Oh, it's back here, back here. Ah, that's hilarious, dude. That is hilarious. And it lights up? What? I just saw that. It lights up, huh? Oh, when you move it. That's crazy. Got the Forever Run Pumas right here. Been seeing this at the Foot Locker outlets. They got it on sale right here as well. And they have that many different colorways of these Puma La France shoes. I didn't know that. Definitely didn't know that. They got the runners right here as well. Front's going for 110. Runners going for 125. Not seen too many sales tag, which is kind of a surprise. Got some New Balances right here. 9060s on sale for $100. 2002 Rs for $80. Not too bad. 550s right here. Got a few of the lows and the mids on sale. Got multiple colorways of the AE2s. I've not seen this colorway right here. I'm not a fan of these. I like the 8-1s, but not the 2s. I feel like we've been seeing, is it this? No, it's not this colorway, huh? No, it's not this colorway. 135 for the Lucas. And then the Tatum 4s right here, 130 for those. We got the Jordan 40s. I haven't seen these anywhere other than Jumpman LA. They look okay. They look okay. You know, I don't know. Like 205 just seems a little bit for these. 205 for the latest Jordan. And also do got the LeBrons right here. The latest LeBrons. What is it? The 20. Was it the 23s? 23s right there. You can see the crown. His crown logo right there. Okay. Oh dang, they got Kobe Protros. Dang, Kobe 9s right there. Those are 190. Air Max DNAs, all of them, or most of them go for $100. Fun to see the Air Max Up-Tempos, the Bulls colorway right here on sale for dope. Which is interesting because we've seen those on sale everywhere else, but not at Foot Locker. And do got multiple colorways of the Pegasus Premiums on sale. That's pretty freaking dope to see that. As well as the Vomero 18 right here. And it says Vomero 18 on the tongue. That's how you can really tell, because from the side it's hard. It's hard to tell the difference between these and the pluses right there. But yeah, starting to see those on sale. That's what's up. Got a Champs right here. We just saw that one on sale, but not here. Like, the sales pattern's so weird, because Champs and Foot Locker, same company, but they be doing stuff really weird. You have anything on the men's section over here. Starting to see the AE1s. Well, we've seen the AE1s on sale. The La France one right here, $50. $50, that's pretty freaking nice. Then seen the Evo SLs. This one has that Like Strike Pro. This is like, these are really nice. These are really nice. Very comfortable. Air Max 90s. And even Cortez is a little sale. Glycerins, okay, these are normally like 165. And then the Messi Adidas right here. Not bad, because these normally go for $100. Looks like they got some hats. Wait, is it all of them? Oh, certain ones go for $20. New Era snapback Yankees hats, and some Nike ones down here, Jordan ones. Oh, okay, none of the Lakers ones. Oh wait, this Dodger one right here. Dodger one, $20. That's not bad. This is a Mitchell & Ness snapback. That's not bad at all. I've been seeing the KD 18s on sale. Every colorway is on sale. It's crazy because basketball season just started. I think these did come out late last season. I think he's one of the players, like Giannis, that releases, like, they don't release it at the beginning of the basketball season. I think they do it at the end of the last season or something. Dunks on sale. And even these, they didn't have these on sale at Foot Locker, but they have it on sale here. And then what the hell is up with The MB5s, like, I don't know how many guys are gonna wear this. Really? How many guys are gonna wear that? Even this one right here, like, I don't know, is he only just trying to sell to kids? Like, I don't even think most kids would wear that. Kind of weird. We got these. My kiddo does like these for when he's like doing this with sim racing. He freaking loves wearing those. We got a Mercedes one. One kind of fits the Ferrari colorway. He's not a big fan of Ferrari right now though, because they are kind of struggling. But yeah, the Puma La France. This is like a Weatherman colorway. They got these on sale. We're starting to see more of these on sale. This is a more normal colorway right here. Can match this with a lot more stuff. Yo, look at this. I think this is the women's section. Look at this. Look at this. Wow, 120 down to 50 freaking dollars. And these Vomeros right here, $250. Oh, these are grade school. That's why grade school. If your girl can fit these, that's what's up. $50 for freaking Vomero 5s. That is dope. 110 down to 50. We do got some other sales. RMs right there, $70 for the grade school. Jordan 3s right here, 120. $50 for these dunks. Is that one of the is that the cheapest price we've ever seen for these? $80 for the Adizero Evo SLs. One of the cheapest prices we've seen for these. Holy cow, holy cow. And then they got the Bostons right here, the Boston 13s. This is like one of the everyday trainers. I think, ooh, this one actually has the rods in it. The carbon fiber rods. So that's, oh, I didn't know they do the carbon fiber rods in the Bostons now. But yeah, look, everyday trainer. And then like the race trainer right here. Wow. I got this color right here. But if you just need it for running, grab these. People can see you from 5 miles away. Don't get run over. And then 574s. We've been seeing these for crazy cheap. $50. Definitely a great price for these. Man. Anything worth checking out here? Semi-annual clearance sale coming up in a little less than 2 months. But look at this. Look at this. So yeah, they do have a little sale going on, 30% off. That's 30% off regular price though. Abdul Rahim. Damn, what the heck? They're going way into the vaults of old school players. Tentacumpo jersey right here. Is it just all retail? 120. Grant Hill jersey right here, 135. Sean Kemp jersey right here. Yeah, it's like all retail, man. I guess the discount's better than full price, but still, man, we used to really steep discounts. 130 for the Griffey. Tony Gwynn jersey. Ooh, that's a Nike. 135 for the Nike. And they got plenty of stuff. Just almost everything retail. Yeah, I do need a small jersey for one of these. 130 and 150 for the Mitchell and Ness ones. Sheik has had the best deals with the extra 25 off. Already reduced merch, 25% off everything with the blue tag. We dropped these Jordan 1 lows right here. That drops that down to 75. Drop these Concord lows to 75. Drops that down even more. Holy cow. Was that like 130 or something? They still got the latest retros. It's like outlet prices right here, right? Like Nike outlet prices. This is cheaper than the Nike outlets. Holy cow, holy cow. Oh, those green flight courts. Yeah, I think I bought them here. I better fit my worker. I think it's a half size big. And I grabbed them for like 20, 30. Like, I think it was like $30. So I had to grab them. The latest version of the Tatums. I haven't seen this colorway. 130 for those. They remind you right here. They've had this for months, by the way. First time I've seen the Pegasus premiums right here. Okay, that's a cool colorway. I haven't seen that anywhere. They're also starting to get the Vomero Plus, which I haven't seen. And then they got the Vomeros on sale. Damn, dude. That's what's up. This colorway is better than the one that's on sale at Foot Locker, but I think the Foot Locker one might be a little bit cheaper. We got new colorways of the Vomero Plus right here that I haven't seen. These are going for 180. Diamond Turfs on sale. 25% off makes almost everything such good deal. Even these books right here, that might be the cheapest we've seen it anywhere. I think the biggest sales are in the grade school and women's. Look at this. Look at this grade school right here, $35. Another 25 off, so like $30. This past year's Valentine's Day release Go for 30. It's gonna be 40 bucks. No, it's gonna be what, 30, 37.50 or something? I don't know. 45 for dunks. And yeah, all kinds of dunks on sale. 45 for all those right there. I don't think I've seen this one. It's kind of an interesting one for grade school. Women's section over here. Look at these. Going for so freaking cheap. That drops that down to $40. Apparently I suck at math. But yeah, no, $37.50. Look at the women's section, $37.50 for these. $45 for these. These things are kind of interesting. And some Cortez going for pretty cheap up there. Forces, if your kiddo needs forces, grab the women's version. I'm telling you, the toe box pretty wide on these bad boys. Grab my kiddos right here. Got the shocks right here. That's probably the cheapest we've seen these, because these dropped down to 60. What are these? I've never even seen these before. The Superflies? What the hell? It's not like the retro running shoe from way back when. I think so. And this is the men's section right here. These go down to $60. $60 for Vomeros. Not freaking bad, dude. Normally $160, so $100 off. $100 freaking dollars off. And the other ones, they got some decent sales up there as well. But yeah, that colorway is pretty dope too. More grade school options. $45 for Vomero. 5s right here. I think this is a better colorway right here. Easier to match stuff with. And yeah, these are hella cheap too. These are hella cheap. Wow, 25 off of that. And then even these right here, the Rejuvenates, $40. So that drops down to what? That drops down to 30. I got these for 65. You have a chic, definitely worth hitting up. I think they got the best deals out of everybody right now. It's almost similar to the Nike outlets. Wow. Got a Shoe Palace now. And I found some pretty dope stuff here in the past. Got the Kobe Air Forces here, and then also they had the Kobe 6s a while back, but not seeing anything crazy today. I've never seen so many Vomeros. That's a Vomero, Vomero Plus, Vomero Plus, Vomero Plus. Also got 4 different colorways of the Pegasus Premiums. I don't think I've seen all that. Yeah, these aren't as heavy as I thought they were. I thought they were so much heavier. When you compare it to this, yeah, they are noticeably heavier. We do have the Kobe 9 lows right here. You got these bad boys. 220. 220 for these bad boys. And they got a colorway of the Vomero 5s that I've never seen before. These are women's right here, 170. And I haven't seen this colorway of the Air Max Uptempo, aka Uptempo 95s. I haven't seen these anywhere. These, I think, last released in 2018, 2017. I remember seeing these at the clearance store a while back. And they're still releasing colorways of the Pegasus Plus right here, 190 for these. We've been lucky enough to find these for cheap plenty of times. Did they release the taxis already? Did these just release? Did these just release this past weekend? Do have the taxis, $215 for the Jordan 12 taxis. I haven't seen these anywhere. And I went to the mall this weekend too. Crazy. They got the Gamma 11 Hydros right here, Jordan Hydro 11 Gammas. $70 for these bad boys. I still think these are pretty freaking dope. $130 for the SE Jordan 1 lows. Definitely got some interesting stuff. No crazy sales here though. There's a colorway of the AE2s that I haven't seen anywhere. Yeah, $130 for these. Yeah, I haven't seen these anywhere. Okay. Right in front of the Pottery Barn outlet, do got our last shop. We do have a Finish Line. Is this the last Finish Line in SoCal? I feel like they've all changed to JD Sports. Saw these here. I was like, are they on sale? Kinda. Not the hugest sale. Yeah, not seeing any crazy sales. $60 for 574s. We've seen them so much cheaper. Yeah, not seeing anything crazy. I don't even think I've showed you guys what I'm wearing. Jordan 1 High OG. What's this? The glow greens, I think. Grabbed them because I do have the fleece jacket at home. I got it for hella cheap. Definitely appreciate you got it for me. But I think it came out to like $50, something like that. And then it is hot as hell outside, man. November and it's hot as hell, so shorts, tank top. They do have a few interesting things right here. We got the Shocks TLs. Those are my favorite Shocks. $60 off retail. Air Max 95s. This is the big bubble right here. The back bubble is fatter than normal. These were selling out like crazy because they were making them really limited on purpose. $20 off retail now. Then got Jordan 1 lows on sale, but nothing too crazy. 6 rings right there, mids. Is that it? Is that it? Someone told me to go to like the Reebok outlet. I was like, there barely are even any Reebok outlets, and there's one here, and Reebok, they don't really have much right now. They don't really have much. Kids section, women's section. I thought Iverson and Shaq would make some big changes there. I haven't really seen that yet. Haven't seen it yet. I think we're done, you guys. I think we're done.